caving in, slowly creep in my lungs, hear my car sing.